This footage captures a significant equipment failure within a brick manufacturing facility. While moving a large stack of bricks, a critical malfunction occurs in the control system. Despite the operator's efforts, the machinery fails to respond to stop commands, causing the transport rack to collapse and resulting in substantial damage. This highlights vital safety priorities. All machinery must have accessible emergency stop buttons to cut power instantly during glitches. Regular diagnostic testing of control systems is required to catch failures early. Additionally, loads must be evenly distributed to maintain stability during a stall. Personnel should keep a safe distance from moving parts to avoid debris. Rigorous inspections are the only way to prevent such high-impact machinery failures. This footage captures a serious industrial safety incident involving a heavy-duty press. While workers are positioned near the machinery, one individual inadvertently places his hand inside the active zone during operation. Consequently, his arm becomes caught in the mechanical press, leading to an immediate emergency as colleagues rush to assist. This serves as a critical safety warning. Moving parts must be equipped with physical guards to prevent bodily entry into hazard zones. Maintenance should never occur while a machine is energized. Lockout, tagout procedures are mandatory. Workers must use specialized tools instead of their hands to clear jams. Maintaining focus and staying clear of pinch points is essential to preventing high-impact mechanical accidents on the job. This footage captures a critical equipment safety incident during a heavy load unloading operation. While using a forklift to remove a large crate, the vehicle's center of gravity shifts dangerously forward, causing it to tilt steeply. As the forklift snaps back into position with immense force, workers standing on the equipment are thrown off balance and fall hard to the ground. This incident highlights vital material handling safety. Always verify the cargo weight stays within the forklift's certified capacity to prevent tipping. Crucially, personnel must never stand on a forklift or its forks. Only the operator should be on the vehicle. Loads must be centered and tilted back to maintain stability. Prohibiting riders and respecting load limits are essential steps to prevent high-impact falls and machinery accidents on the job site. This footage captures a sudden structural failure involving the collapse of a large wall. While a man is positioned near the structure, the wall unexpectedly loses its stability and falls toward him. Due to the rapid nature of the collapse, he is unable to reach a safe zone in time and is caught beneath the debris. This incident serves as a critical safety reminder regarding structural integrity. Building owners must conduct regular assessments of freestanding walls to identify cracks or foundation erosion before a failure occurs. Any structure showing instability should be cordoned off to prevent personnel from entering the fall zone. Pedestrians should remain vigilant near unreinforced structures, especially after heavy rain. Prioritizing maintenance and respecting safety perimeters are essential to preventing high-impact incidents caused by unexpected structural collapses. This footage captures a critical safety incident at an industrial site during an overhead lifting operation. While a crane hoists a massive steel beam, several workers move within the active work zone. Unexpectedly, as one worker bends down to cross beneath the lift path, the rigging cable fails, causing the beam to drop instantly onto the individual. This underscores the severe risks of working under suspended loads. Strict no-go zones must be enforced. No personnel should ever stand under a lift. Rigging hardware requires rigorous pre-shift inspections to identify structural weaknesses. Additionally, dedicated spotters must manage ground traffic to ensure the area is clear before any movement begins. Maintaining a safe distance and adhering to overhead lifting standards are the only ways to prevent such high-impact incidents in industrial environments. This footage captures a sudden environmental hazard at a construction site involving unsecured materials. While the crew is busy with their tasks, a strong gust of wind picks up a large metal sheet left without proper weights. The sheet travels at high speed, striking an unsuspecting worker and causing him to collapse instantly. This incident serves as a critical warning regarding site organization. All lightweight materials, like metal sheeting, must be weighted down or tethered to prevent them from becoming airborne projectiles. Supervisors should monitor wind alerts and implement high wind lockdown procedures to secure hazards before gusts reach dangerous levels. Workers must remain vigilant in open areas and wear all required PPE. Maintaining a secure job site is essential for preventing unexpected accidents and ensuring everyone's safety on the ground. This footage captures a high-risk safety incident within a manufacturing facility involving a large, high-speed rotating shaft. While working near the active machinery, a worker is suddenly caught and pulled into the rotating component. Due to the extreme speed, he is unable to react or free himself. Recognizing the emergency, colleagues immediately rush to assist and shut down the power. This serves as a critical warning regarding machine entanglement. All rotating shafts must be enclosed with fixed physical guards to prevent contact with clothing or limbs. Personnel must avoid loose garments, jewelry, or unrestrained hair near equipment. High-speed machines should feature accessible emergency stop buttons for instant shutdown. Maintaining a safety buffer and using specialized tools instead of reaching near moving parts is essential to preventing severe mechanical accidents in the workplace. This footage captures a serious machinery incident involving a bulldozer during a site leveling operation near a perimeter wall. As the heavy equipment flattens the ground in close proximity to the structure, the wall's foundation fails to withstand the lateral pressure. The sudden structural collapse causes the bulldozer to lose balance and tip over abruptly, leaving the operator no time to react. This serves as a critical safety reminder. Always conduct a structural integrity assessment before operating heavy machinery near existing walls to ensure they can support the vibration. Operators must maintain safe setback distances from non-reinforced structures. Furthermore, this underscores the importance of rollover protective structures, ROPS, and seatbelts to keep personnel secure during a tip-over. Continuous site monitoring for cracks or shifting is essential to halt operations before a failure occurs and ensure overall site safety. This footage captures a major industrial incident within a textile plant during the chemical dyeing stage. While machinery is treating fabric, a powerful explosion occurs, sending a massive plume of smoke throughout the facility. The blast causes extensive structural damage and disrupts operations. This event serves as a critical safety reminder regarding chemical handling and pressure vessel maintenance. It is essential to monitor chemical compatibility to prevent unstable reactions. Furthermore, all vats must be equipped with certified pressure relief valves to prevent failure during overpressurization. Plants must also maintain advanced ventilation to stop the buildup of flammable vapors. Regular evacuation drills are necessary to ensure personnel can exit safely when visibility is obscured. Prioritizing rigorous safety protocols and equipment stress tests is vital to preventing high-impact accidents and ensuring operational stability. This footage captures a major industrial incident within a textile plant during the chemical dyeing stage. While machinery is treating fabric, a powerful explosion occurs, sending a massive plume of smoke throughout the facility. The blast causes extensive structural damage and disrupts operations. This event serves as a critical safety reminder regarding chemical handling and pressure vessel maintenance. It is essential to monitor chemical compatibility to prevent unstable reactions. Furthermore, all vats must be equipped with certified pressure relief valves to prevent failure during overpressurization. Plants must also maintain advanced ventilation to stop the buildup of flammable vapors. Regular evacuation drills are necessary to ensure personnel can exit safely when visibility is obscured. Prioritizing rigorous safety protocols and equipment, stress tests, is vital to preventing high-impact accidents and ensuring operational stability. Camera footage captured a significant safety incident at an active construction site involving a heavy commercial vehicle and a pedestrian. The incident occurred when a truck began reversing without the assistance of a designated spotter to guide the driver through the site. Due to restricted visibility and large blind spots, the driver was unaware of a worker walking behind the vehicle, resulting in a forceful impact that knocked the individual to the ground. Fortunately, the driver applied the brakes immediately upon contact, preventing further harm. This event serves as a critical reminder of the absolute necessity of strict backing safety protocols, mandating that heavy equipment must never reverse without a trained spotter, requiring all personnel to maintain eye contact with operators, and emphasizing the importance of high visibility gear and constant situational awareness in active work zones. Camera footage captured a significant safety violation during a routine material handling operation in a warehouse setting. While a group of workers was moving inventory along the racking system, one individual bypassed safety protocols by stepping directly onto a moving mechanical component. The sudden momentum of the machinery immediately compromised his balance, pulling him forcefully backward and causing him to tumble onto the floor. Fortunately, the worker was able to recover without sustaining injuries. This near miss serves as a critical reminder of the absolute necessity of staying clear of active mechanical parts, mandating that personnel must never use equipment for anything other than its intended purpose, and emphasizing the vital importance of maintaining situational awareness to prevent falls and mechanical entrapment in high-traffic work zones. Video footage captures a high-risk incident involving a pedestrian and electrical infrastructure. On an otherwise calm day, an individual climbed onto the top of a shipping container situated in close proximity to overhead power lines. The man appeared to be experiencing a significant lapse in self-control and judgment. In a moment of extreme negligence, he reached out and made contact with the high-voltage lines, resulting in a severe electrical discharge that left him immediately incapacitated and unable to move. This alarming event highlights the absolute necessity of maintaining a safe distance from all electrical utility lines, mandating that individuals must never climb on structures near power grids, and underscoring the critical importance of responsible behavior and sobriety, as impaired judgment in hazardous environments can lead to devastating consequences. Camera footage captured a significant safety incident at a stone processing yard involving a powered industrial truck and a ground worker. The incident occurred during the transport of heavy stone slabs. A forklift operator failed to maintain a safe, controlled speed, causing the vehicle to accelerate beyond the pace of the worker walking ahead to stabilize the load. Due to this loss of speed control and the lack of a safe buffer zone, the forklift collided with the worker from behind, knocking them to the ground. This event serves as a critical reminder of the absolute necessity of strict forklift safety protocols, mandating that operators must always maintain a safe, walking speed pace, requiring that pedestrians never walk in the direct path of travel of moving machinery, and emphasizing the importance of proper load securement so that workers do not need to manually steady materials while the vehicle is in motion. Camera footage captured a distressing incident in a crowded public area where an individual appeared to experience a sudden medical crisis or loss of physical stability. The man exhibited signs of severe dizziness and loss of motor control, causing him to stumble and fall directly into large containers of boiling water used by a nearby vendor. The impact resulted in widespread thermal injuries as the scalding liquid saturated his clothing. Bystanders immediately rushed to his aid, working together to pull him away from the heat source and assist him to his feet. This unfortunate event highlights the critical importance of immediate public intervention during medical emergencies, and underscores the necessity for vendors to implement safety barriers around high-temperature equipment in high-traffic areas to prevent accidental contact during a fall or emergency. Camera footage captured a high-risk situation involving a road roller and its operator during repairs on a damaged section of roadway. While the crew was working to stabilize a landslide area, the heavy machinery began to lose traction while reversing. Due to the unstable ground and slippery conditions, the vehicle slid toward the edge of the embankment, appearing as though it was about to tip over. Recognizing the immediate danger, the operator demonstrated rapid emergency response by jumping clear of the vehicle to ensure his own safety. Fortunately, the machinery regained its balance and did not overturn. This incident serves as a critical reminder of the hazards associated with operating heavy equipment on unstable terrain, mandating that crews conduct thorough ground stability assessments before beginning work, and emphasizing the necessity for operators to have clear exit strategies and for sites to implement stringent safety perimeters when working near steep or compromised slopes. Camera footage captured a startling incident involving a pedestrian and a deteriorating residential structure. As a man was walking along a perimeter fence and paused to look inside a property, the large wall suddenly suffered a complete structural failure, collapsing directly in front of him. The collapse appeared to be caused by severe structural instability or a compromised foundation. Fortunately, the individual was not struck by the falling debris, narrowly avoiding a serious impact. This event serves as a crucial reminder of the hidden dangers of unstable or poorly maintained infrastructure, mandating that property owners conduct regular safety inspections of perimeter walls and emphasizing that pedestrians should maintain a safe distance from aging or visibly leaning structures, as structural integrity can fail without warning. Traffic camera footage captured a high-stakes incident involving a large commercial semi-truck on a busy highway. While traffic was flowing normally, the container truck suddenly experienced a loss of control, accelerating rapidly and veering out of its designated lane. The situation posed an immediate threat of a high-speed collision with surrounding vehicles. Fortunately, the truck managed to exit the roadway entirely, avoiding contact with other motorists before coming to a stop in a clear area off the main highway. This near miss highlights the critical importance of regular heavy vehicle maintenance, especially regarding braking systems and steering components. It serves as a vital lesson for all drivers to maintain a safe following distance from large trucks, and for commercial operators to practice defensive driving techniques, ensuring that in the event of a mechanical failure, the safety of the motoring public remains the top priority. Camera footage captured a startling near-miss incident in Vietnam involving a traffic official, a pedestrian, and a moving commercial vehicle. The scene shows the official walking alongside a citizen near a busy roadway as a truck approaches their position. Suddenly, in a moment of erratic behavior, the individual walking behind the officer appears to push him directly into the path of the oncoming truck. Demonstrating incredible situational awareness and rapid reflexes, the official managed to pivot away instantly, narrowly avoiding a serious collision with the front of the vehicle. This alarming event highlights the unpredictable nature of roadside environments and serves as a critical reminder of the importance of maintaining constant vigilance, practicing defensive positioning when near moving traffic, and the necessity for all personnel to remain aware of the actions of those in their immediate vicinity to prevent unexpected hazards. Surveillance footage captured a high-risk safety incident involving a maintenance crew performing service on a stationary heavy-duty truck. While the technicians were focused on servicing the tires, the vehicle unexpectedly began to roll forward. This dangerous movement was likely caused by a failure to engage the emergency parking brake or a neglect to use proper wheel chocks to secure the heavy machinery on the shop floor. One technician, positioned directly in the path of the drifting vehicle, recognized the immediate threat and demonstrated rapid emergency reflexes by sprinting clear of the danger zone, just moments before the truck gained momentum. Fortunately, the individual avoided contact with the vehicle. This near miss serves as a critical reminder of the absolute necessity for stringent lockout-tagout, LOTO, and wheel chocking protocols, mandating that all operators must verify the parking brake is fully engaged and that safety chocks are securely placed before any maintenance work begins to prevent accidental vehicle movement.